This is the flour. This is the egg, just one egg. I have here my butter, my baking powder. You can see it very well. This is the baking powder right here, and this is the sugar right here. This one right here, sugar. Then we are going to mix it together. We first of all mix the dry one, like put on our sugar and baking powder together. Then we mix it together like this. Then after mixing it together, then you put your butter inside. Let me put in my butter inside. Then that's the time you have to use your hand. Make sure that your hand is clean. Then use it, mixing them together. Make sure that the butter dissolves with the flour. When you mix them very well, then you add your egg. I use only one egg. Then you separate them together. Why I use egg? Because I want my chin-chin to be soft, not too hard. I want it to be soft. Then after mixing it together, you will see it has a little yellow on it. Not everything is correct. Then I'm going to use my own milk. You can use any milk you like, but it has to be liquid milk. And you make a hole at the middle, pour your own milk, then incorporate them together. When you mix it, it's going to look like this, so you can see it. Then I will put inside the fridge, not freezer, inside the fridge for 10 minutes. Take a little flour, sprinkle it on the board. You put your flour, start rolling it. I got it like this. You can see it. See it. Take your cut and cut it. If you finish cutting it, look at how it's supposed to look like. Not supposed to be stick to each other. Yeah, put your fry pan on fire, then you put your oil, leave it, let it hot. When the oil heated very well, then we put our chin chin. Okay, let's put our dough. Let me show you how it looks like. You can see it start turning brown a little. You see the sound? It's turning brown. So it's time to bring it out. Put your dough in. You can see it. This is the final look of the chin chin. It's so browning, so yummy. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep this video going. I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.